In this video, I will quickly show you how to use the Help Center on our platform. Once you've logged into your client dashboard, navigate to the Help Center option in the menu. The Frequently Asked Questions option leads you to our support documentation for everything in the platform. Choose your category and then your specific question, and you will be able to view a step-by-step guide to your question. From the How to Use the Platform section, you will find this video among many others that show you how to use every part of our platform. In the Forex terminology option, you will find an extensive glossary covering any trading-related term you can think of. Lastly, from the MetaTrader 5 tutorials option, you have access to MT5 tutorial videos for navigating MT5 on desktop, iOS devices, and Android devices. Thanks for watching.